DeFi users rely on APY reports, strategy updates, audits, and AI-generated analysis. But most of that evidence is still off-chain and mutable. A PDF or dashboard can change after users have already acted on it. VaultProof creates a verifiable evidence trail for those reports. VaultProof hashes evidence in the browser, stores it on Walrus, verifies the stored bytes, and anchors the blob identity and hash in wallet-owned Sui objects. Tatum MCP then reads live Sui state, while Gemini performs DeFi due diligence over the verified evidence. I select a real APY and risk report. Before uploading anything, VaultProof calculates SHA-256 client-side. It also extracts DeFi risk fields such as APY, TVL, drawdown, leverage, and audit date. This hash becomes the identity of the evidence. For private evidence, VaultProof can encrypt locally with AES-256 GCM before upload. Walrus stores only ciphertext, while the passphrase remains in the browser. Download and decryption require the original passphrase, and AES GCM authentication detects an incorrect passphrase or modified ciphertext. The report is now stored on Walrus testnet. VaultProof receives the blob identifier, then independently downloads the bytes through the Walrus aggregator and recalculates SHA-256. The successful match proves that the decentralized storage content is exactly the file I selected. The connected wallet now signs two Sui testnet transactions. The first creates a Vault passport. The second creates a versioned report object containing the Walrus blob ID, SHA-256, report type, owner, timestamp, and active status. The contract emits a report added event that anyone can inspect on Sui Vision. VaultProof uses the official Tatum blockchain MCP package, not a mocked response. Its gateway_execute_RPC tool queries Sui testnet through Tatum using a server-only API key. The same tool reads report objects for the public passport and AI pipeline. Public RPC access is allow listed to the exact read methods the product needs. Gemini receives the evidence preview, parsed risk metrics, Walrus verification result, and the live Sui object returned through Tatum MCP. It separates cryptographic integrity from economic safety. A 100 trust score means the proof chain is complete. It does not mean the APY is sustainable. Gemini therefore produces evidence insights, economic risks, proof gaps, due diligence questions, and recommended next actions. Every report has a shareable public passport. A reviewer does not need to trust the dashboard session. The passport rereads the Sui object through Tatum MCP, downloads the Walrus blob, recalculates the hash, checks revocation status, and exposes independent Explorer links. VaultProof gives Sui DeFi a reusable trust layer for vault reports, audits, DAO disclosures, incident evidence, and AI agent logs. Decentralized storage on Walrus, ownership and status on Sui, live verification through Tatum MCP, and evidence-aware analysis with Gemini. The report owner can revoke a proof on-chain. The public passport reads the updated status through Tatum MCP and immediately stops presenting the report as verified.